Okay, we're gonna do a very quick demo of Cursor AI. So first we open Cursor and we go to open a new folder. We create a folder on the local computer and we select the folder. Then in the prompt area, we're gonna tell what is that we want as an application. We're saying an application done in Python. It has to be a web application listening in the port 6060, and it has to have a modern look. It has to be running on its own Python virtual environment, and with a left column and a header. Those are general information that we provide to have a first look of the application, right? So we can give any other particular aspects, and when we hit enter, start thinking and generating the code. We can see how the code is generating. Well, I keep on dictating to the Mac, and well, we can see that it's creating the Python virtual environment and it's activating the virtual environment with the Python. It's creating the requirement txt files with all the Python dependencies and libraries required to run the application, and it's automatically updating the virtual environment. We have to click accept all from time to time to accept the modifications that we are doing. And since this is going to be Python, which is going to be interpreted, it's not important if we don't update immediately, the application will keep on running on the previous version before the modifications. We have to wait while it builds. It creates all the code. It's going to create a pretty complex structure. It's setting also the port 6060 as per the specification. We're going to open a browser at the same time. We're going to see that the app is not yet available soon. Keep on doing the accept all the modifications. Accept, and we will see in the browser the application is not running yet. I was a little bit impatient while I was trying. We keep on clicking on accept the modifications. We can see all the folders and files that were created while we are waiting, and it's kind of giving us messages of what it's doing. So it's kind of very nice. So we see what's going on. It's not just waiting. We can verbosely see what's going on. This accept, it can be done. It can be set as automatically accept. I keep it manually for the moment. We see the core app.py, which is going to be the main application there. We can see that the application is not running yet, but the Cursor AI is going to run the application after it finishes. We're going to see it very soon. We can see what's going on. Now it's creating a settings page quickly, so it's going to be a pre-populated application. It's not going to be just an empty web page. It's going to create something as a base application, and then once it's generated, it's going to run automatically. It's going to open a terminal and run the application. So here's running the application, so we can see that the application is listening in the port 6060 of the local machine. So we will be soon seeing a resume of what was done. When we refresh, there we go, we have an application. It's an empty app. It's a kind of a demo with a couple of sections and a couple of what we can do. We can see that it creates a couple of left menu options like analytics, settings, and profile, and sounds very nice. So we're going to add a menu option to see what is our IP address. So we ask that now. Add a menu option that will display my external and internal IP address. There we go. It's going to work on that a couple of seconds again, and we're going to see that this functionality is going to be added on the left menu, and it's going to be working perfectly with no issue. There's a couple of additional libraries requested. There was an error while trying to run. There was a missing module, so it's working on that error. It's going to rerun, correct the error and rerun the application. So it were added, the additional required libraries were added to the request txt, requirements txt for this particular virtual environment. So the virtual environment is not going to be sent in the version control, but all the requirement txt are going to be declared. So it keeps on building the last steps and update the environment, and we have a new app. We refresh. It's not running yet. Now it's running. So we refresh and we can see the network info at the bottom on the left column. We click it and we can see our external IP address and our internal IP address. So that's about it. It was a very, very quick demo. I'm sorry it's too short, but it's pretty awesome what is done with a minimum effort. We can build on this app. We're gonna see other examples very soon. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's useful for you as it was for me. Thank you everyone for listening.